É só minha ponta trilha, tu nunca prestou atenção. Olha o bico do fuzil, vai tomar só rajadão. Vai, toma, toma, toma.
I want to tell you about the cars. We have so many unique cars for the per square meter in this garage. So Lada, which one on the world? This one, not one. I will tell you the truth, it's not one, but with that color unique, again one. Behind my friend car, unique Multipla. So you can see that, you know, I'll give you the link. You can have a look. It's the built on that garage as well, with my helps as well, of course. And it's unique car. It's soon will be, I believe, on all social media, because it's ugliest car, but it's done so nice. It's already definitely not ugliest car. I believe that new Ferrari more shitter than that one. So we're gonna talk about my Lada, which one for drift. This one with BMW M54 B30, 3 liter, already a bit modified, like oil cooler, you know, that some pipes, which one its main issue with them. Of course, full roll cage. Let's go, I show you. I want to show you the full car. So how you can see, like front M2, original Lada chrome bumper will be as well, 2103 front grille, BMW F11 bonnet, of course F10 maybe same. So car on coils already, of course not the best one, max speed, but it was on the sale. Roll cage from Metal Monkey, the very nice guy in UK that helped me to make this dream happen. Now it's that car fully strong, hold together everything. Back one, we've got a couple panels upstairs for the show. I remove it. Another side I done big mistake, I remove it not gently, so that's why I start rebuilding. Wings, this rear wing actually it's front Z350 from left side, so I just cut it and turn it, so that's why it looks not bad. It sits properly, wheel inside, full back original, we just extend front, boot fully usable, same like E46. You can see the place there, even, you know, like everything should be like original. I can use this car daily later on. Dash, everything from E46, of course. Interior will be, yeah, when you sit, not super comfy to go through, but you know, you need to be survive somehow. Of course mess, of course some need to be modifying like interior, but main is the body and engine. Lights already working, of course, but you can see here that panel is straight. That panel I done mistake, I broke in the middle, so now I need to figure out how to put back. I like this view, I like how it looks. I want, of course, finish that faster, but I need daily car. I not even drive my another car because it's like my process of the build motivate me to finish that faster. But actually that's what I'm doing in my life for my hobby, building cars, and they all of them unique. And on the future, I believe we're gonna build more. We start going to drift events, car shows, and maybe we're gonna do one Lada with Mazda engine. It's my plan, Mazda MX-5 engine, build turbo as well. That one I believe will be turbo as well. This is like some short video for introduce my cars, which I own and which one I built with a friend help, of course. And we just started. This is the video number 5 on my channel. So I believe we just start slowly growing. You see there, my friend car. Unique, unique, unique. No, this one half unique. That's why we're calling Mad Garage. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like.